Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the Nouriche Avocadote. This is a product that we normally sell during the year. However, we are taking a break from it because we are spreading things out. So first you start with 8 ounces of unscented Antidote base. And you're going to add 1 tablespoon of avocado powder. Our Antidote base is available on our store if you guys want to take a look at it. You're going to mix this avocado powder in very well till it's back smooth and creamy. You can use real avocado as well, but it gets kind of messy and then you have to preserve it. Next, you want to add a tablespoon of raw honey. You can get raw honey pretty much any local vitamin type store will sell raw honey. I do not suggest using the honey bought out of the stores. That is not raw honey. You're going to mix that in till it's back creamy and smooth. And then you're going to add 5 milliliters of fragrance oil. We're going with the fragrance oil that we use in Nouriche. So if you have bought it before, you know what this smells like. And then we're going to load it up into an 8-ounce jar. It's all smooth and creamy, looking delicious, smelling delicious. And I cannot wait to show you guys how it works on Gia's hair. So top it off with a top and save it for the next time you are ready to do your hair. So this is the hair we'll be tackling today. Now Gia spent the week of our workshops with her grandmother, and her grandmother does not know what to do with her hair, so we kind of stayed in this bun, and then when we got home it stayed in this same twisted up mess. It just has a bunch of crud. It's pretty disgusting. And so we are going to give her a good deep hot treatment and make sure that it gets back to where it needs to be. So we start off shampooing with the Pure Whipped Shampoo. I showed you guys how to make this on another video. Please be sure to check that video out and like it. You're going to scrub the scalp with this shampoo. The great thing about this shampoo is that the bentonite clay in it will help lift all that grime off. The tea tree will soothe her scalp and help it to feel better, because she said it was starting to itch bad. I bought this little scrubber here from Dollar Tree. I thought this was pretty neat, and she said it felt amazing on her scalp. She hates the way it feels when I'm scratching her scalp, so this was much better, and I needed to really scrub her scalp. This is round 2. After that second one, you can see that the lather is thick and nice, and it's getting a really good cleanse there. So now you're going to rinse it all out, squeeze out that excess water, and now it's time to take a look and make sure that we got all of our scalp good and clean. Gia has very thick hair, and it is so often that I will find that I have not got an area in her hair good, but I think I got it really good this time. I couldn't find any areas that still had gunk build up on it, so I think we're good. So we're going to separate this into 4 different sections. I do several sections for Gia since her hair is so thick. We're going to apply the Nouriche from root to tip. Now let me tell you a little bit about the avocado. The avocado, well, the Antidote base, before you add the avocados to it, it is the Antidote, which is one of our prized products. This product is very different. It's one that it literally kind of sits on top of the hair when you apply it, so it kind of turns the hair completely white. This is what you want it to do. This is what it's designed to do. After you have smoothed it on from root to tip all over, then you're going to put on a heated cap, or a hooded dryer would work fine, and this is where the magic happens. Once you add heat to it, it melts that product right into those strands, makes the hair super duper soft. It's easy to comb out, it's easy to detangle. Add a little bit water to it, and section by section I'm going to go through and twist each section up after I detangle it. This makes the detangling process so much easier, and it allows all of her strands that were caught up in there that would have fallen out, her regular sheddage, to come on out with detangling it, and I didn't have her squalling like I was killing her. Alright, so now that we have everything all twisted up, we are going to rinse this out with the twist still in. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but this is the way I rinse Gia's hair out because I don't want it to get right back tangled up if I take the twist out. So I rinse the conditioner out while the twists are still in. And this helps keep the hair completely still detangled. Now I'm styling her hair with the crunch-free marmalade. Before we decided on the style, I like to try to talk to Gia about how she wants her hair to look. She's older now, so she kind of is picky about the way she wants her hair to look, even though she don't take care of it. So I kind of wanted to do it the way she wanted it. She come up with this to the side style, and she wanted her curls falling to the side and wanted to pin up. So I came as close as possible, and this is what we came up with. This is how it looked afterward. She was very happy with it. It looks soft, it's moist, defined, it has bounce, it has shine, it has curl. Her curls are super soft, they're super moist. Her frizz is gone. It looks amazing. I'm very, very pleased with it. Highly doubt it will be looking like this by the end of the week. Or probably end of tomorrow, knowing Gia. But for a day, we have beautiful hair. She loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make the Nouriche. You can purchase the Nouriche, the Antidote base to make the Nouriche on www.tanglesandbeyond.com. Or you can purchase the Nouriche from us fully made when we bring it back in stock. Be sure to be on our mailing list so you don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching.